So we move on to question 13. We spent a lot of time on question 4. Let me solve question 13 quickly. It's also saying solve each of the following equations. Then the first equation here we have log 5 base 10 log x base 10. 5 base 10 x base 10. Then plus is equal to 1. So what you do here, we know that when you are adding two logarithms, you do what? You multiply the functions. So we're going to be multiplying this 5 times x. So we write our log base 10. 5 times x, we get 5x. This is equal to 1. We change this to exponential. This is just going to be equal to 10 raised to power 1, which is going to be equal to 5x. So 10, when we raise 10 to the power 1, we get 10. So we're going to have 5x is equal to 10. Divide by 5, divide by 5. The value of x there you get 2. We do the second question. Log x base 10, log x minus 3 base 10. We have log x base 10, log x minus 3 base 10. Or there's a plus. Then it's equal to, is it 0? 1. Okay. So here you do the same again. You're adding two logarithms, meaning you're going to be multiplying the functions there. So we're going to say this x times that. We're going to have something like this. Then we'll have the log here with the base 10 is equal to 1. What do we do then? We raise this, we know to say our base there is 10. We're converting it to exponential. Our base there is 10. The power is 1. Then this is equal to, what is x times x? X squared. Or let me just write it the way it is. Okay? Let me just multiply the next one. So x times x there, you get x squared. X times negative 3, you get negative 3x. So you take this 10 to the other side of the equal sign. You're going to have x squared minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So we find the factors and the products there. So we're going to have x squared. So x squared is going to, here, what are the products and this? What are the factors here? So we can use, is it 2 and 5? Yes, 2 and 5. Which one is going to be negative? It's going to be positive 2, negative 5. Yes. Is it? Yes. Yeah. Then negative 10 is equal to 0. Then we open the brackets there, we factorize. We're going to have x plus 2. Then negative 5 is common there. We have x plus 2 is equal to 0. So there we get the common factors. This is equal to 0. So when we equate each of those factors to 0, we get x is equal to negative 2, and the other value of x is equal to 5. So we move on. So even the other question, you do it the same way. So it's log x minus 4, and then log x minus, is it x? Yeah, x minus 4, then x minus 1. Is equal to 1. So you do the same. They all have the base 10. You do the same. You're going to multiply. Since you're adding, you're going to multiply the functions there. So we're going to have x minus 4 and then x minus 1 being equal to 1. Then we have our log this side, base 10. So when we multiply this, we're going to have x squared. Then we get, this is going to be, is it negative 5x? Has anyone found it? And then we have plus 4. Yeah. Then from here we can now just take this thing to the other side of an equal sign. So meaning we'll have something like this. So negative 10 and 4 we get negative 6 being equal to 0. So we factorize that. What are the factors? So the factors we're going to have are what and what? 2 and 3. Which one is going to be negative? Is 2 and 3 going to work? No. No. It's supposed to be 1 and 6. 1 and 6. Which one is going to be negative? Negative 6, right? 1 and 6. Yes. So this is what we're going to have. Is it? Supposed to be 1 there. And then negative 6 there. We have x. Supposed to be a plus 1 is equal to 0. So when you simplify this, you have x plus 1, then x minus 6. This is equal to 0. The value of x there will be negative 1. The other value of x there will be 6. So let's quickly do question 14. So this is question 13. Let's move on to the next question.